make me study and all those stuffs. So it has always been in my heart that I should work for my father.
Really stressful, and I prepare time management in my life, and she even said it clearly about it and got some ideas about it so that I can prepare from tomorrow according to.
As a first year student, we already needed this time management. We will use the things you have given us.
Okay, thank you.
And I want to manage my stress and pressures.
Yeah, we are able to go there also.